So what is Forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange and is used to describe trading in the currency market by investors and speculators. Just like an investor can trade stocks or commodities, an investor can trade currencies and try to profit from the difference in exchange rates between two countries' currencies. For example, if a trader expects the euro to strengthen against the US dollar, he will sell dollars to buy the euros. If the euro strengthens, he will then sell the euros for dollars and thus increase the initial sum in dollars.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.